Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the dialer application of the POCO X3 device. As you can see right now, I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone, and this was a question asked by recently many of the users that whether the default dialer application actually supports the call recording functionality or not. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating a call as well. So let's see whether the call recording is present in this smartphone or not. Otherwise, you need to use another third-party call recording applications if there is no default call recording option. And in case if you want to know what kind of punch all wallpapers I'm using in the POCO X3 device, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of POCO X3, so you can find a video on that one, so which I did recently on that POCO X3 as well, as you can see, which is perfectly suitable for this kind of punch all mobile phones. So let's get started with the dialer application. And this is a dialer interface, how it looks. So this is a completely Google dialer which is present in the POCO X3 device. So this is not the MI's or Redmi's dialer application here. So this is a completely very stock Android dialer application you will get in this POCO X3 device. So that's the one good advantage, but there is a drawback that let me try to make a call and see what's going on right now. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to do a call as well, and here you don't get any option to record as well. As you can see, you won't get any other option here. So even if I try to answer the call as well, you don't get any option even if after answering the call. So there is a one disadvantage here in this kind of default dialer application. So right now for this answer for that question is that whether you can record the audio by using the default dialer application. The answer is no. You cannot record any call recording using the default dialer application. You need to use third-party dialer application. So that's another drawback right now in the POCO X3 device. But there are so many other applications as well which are available in the Play Store where you can install audio recording if you want. I'll try to find one of the best applications suitable, and I'll try to make a video as well on the POCO X3 only, so which will be very much interesting for a few of the users who are planning to buy this POCO X3 smartphone. So this is a overall video friends for you all. Finally I made a video today, so make sure to like this video and also stay tuned by subscribing to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.